On the port day of our 3-day Bahama cruise, we docked at Nassau. With a toddler, we preferred a walking tour, exploring the town in the vicinity of our cruise. This video mainly gives suggestions around the top 5 things to see from within walking distance of where our ship docked. And yes, please make sure to carry the sail and sign card, without which you won't be allowed to disembark. As soon as you step out of the ship, a lovely view of Paradise Islands welcomes you. You walk down straight to the Festival Place Welcome Center and collect a Nassau walking map there. As you exit the Welcome Center, you will immediately feel the balmy sun, breeze, palm trees, which are so typical of the Caribbean vibes. Located south of Rawson Square on Bay Street and within easy walking distance from the cruise terminal is the Parliament Square. One is amazed by the pastel buildings created by the British loyalists who came from North Carolina and settled down at Nassau. Keeping the Parliament Square to the right, along Bay Street, head all the way to Elizabeth Avenue. Make a right until you get Bahama Historical Society Museum. Keeping Princess Margaret Hospital to the left, keep walking towards the water tank, which leads to the entrance of the Queen's Staircase. But a better option is to walk right along Sands Road to Fort Fincastle. The staircase was pretty steep and I cannot do that with my son. From the castle you can always climb down. So that's Fort Fincastle was constructed of cut limestone in 1793 and strategically placed to protect historic Nassau town and its harbour. I had some great conversations with some local small businessmen whose incomes completely rely on the tourists.
I've been up here for a year now. Wow. But I've been doing this when I was like 14.
So do help them out. Queen's Staircase is a major landmark that is located in the Fort Fincastle complex. It was cut out of solid limestone rock by slaves. All a solid rock.
Yeah, one solid rock.
Or the one that we see cut in between, right? This one. The whole thing. Oh, they just
16 years.
16 years.
One solid
Oh my
rock.
god.
No coffee break. Coffee. Just enough.
And exiting from Queen's Staircase, walk along Elizabeth Avenue until you reach Shirley Street. Take left, walk along Shirley Street until you reach Parliament Street. Make a right now. On Parliament Street, towards the right, you will see the beautiful pink Nassau Public Library and the Garden of Remembrance. This monument serves as a memorial to Bahamians who lost their lives in World Wars I and II. Head along now, straight to reach Bay Street. Keep walking to your left and explore the myriad shops and stores selling local arts, souvenirs. Bahamas is famous for color-changing shirts and do plan to get one of them. Change color really.
Okay, so it start off black and white inside.
Okay.
You guys go into the sunlight.
Okay. Oh, so that's in the sun?
Yes. Changes color.
On the Bay Street is the popular straw market and Pompey Museum and Square. Surrounding it is the Pompey Museum of Slavery and Emancipation. Pompey Square is a social hub for local festivals and art shows. After a nice time at Pompey Square, we walked along Navy Road, made a right at Marlborough Street, kept walking with British Colonial Hilton towards the right, and we saw the signs for Junkanoo Beach. Junkanoo Beach is the closest beach to the cruise port with amazing turquoise water and great food options. At the end, we went back to the cruise ship with a lot of memories that we made at Nassau. We shall be back for sure.